Fine, let me start solving the problem based on Sainik School Entrance 2017. Right, let us check out this right here. So find the LCM of 64, 28 and 104 they have given. So it's very simple problem, right? So we need to find the LCM of 64, 28 and as well as 104. Start dividing by 2, right? 232, right? 14, 2 5s are 2s. Again you can divide by 2, right? 2 16s are 7s are 26, right? Again 2, 8, I can't divide 7, 13. So further division is not possible right here. The LCM for this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 8 into 7 into 13. Right, this is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 8, that is 64 into 7 into 30. Now multiply it, you are going to get the answer. Let me multiply this first. 7 4s are 28, 2 carry. 7 6 are 42 plus 2. 42 plus 2 is 44. 13 to 13. Right. 13 8s are, right. 104, see 4, 10 carry. 13 4s are 52 plus 10, 62, 6 carry, right? 13 4s are 52 plus 6 is 58. So 5824 is the LCM of 64, 28 and as well as 104.